youngins, it's me, young McDonald, and we're going to help my pappy, old McDonald, with some of the animals that are on his farm. Now, what animal makes this sound? You're right, it's a rooster. Look at that rooster. Wowie, wow, wow. I wonder what sound the next animal makes. What makes that sound? You're right, it's a cow. Let's listen to the next critter sound. Who makes that sound? You're right, it's a little pink piggy. There he is right there. Let's listen to the next sound the animal makes. What is that? You're right, it's a horse. Well, thank you very much for helping me find all the animals on my pappy's farm. Wasn't that fun?